Hey fam, what's good, what's good? I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing week. I hope that you all had an amazing weekend as well. So in today's content, I will give my outlook for this up and coming week on this beautiful pair called NASDAQ. So without wasting no time, let's get into it. Okay, starting off from our actual monthly time frame, we can see that we are currently nicely bearish, right? Having this nice impulsive move towards the upside, having this beautiful correction with a nice actual impulsive move back towards the downside. Okay, now with this move towards the downside, looking at the turning points, right? Let's get ourselves a nice actual descending trend line. Okay, looking at this high over here, let's have a nice descending trend line, just like that. We can see that we do have a what? First touch over there, second touch, and currently we are having our third touch. Not only do we have a third touch, can you guys see with this previous turning point over here, right? Previous area of support, we broke below, now serving as an actual area of resistance, right? Now with this technical analysis over here, I'm expecting NASDAQ for this week to at least head back towards the downside, since we are over and extended towards the upside. Okay, since we are overly extended towards the upside. That's it for our weekly time frame. Let's scale down to our daily time frame and see what is happening over here. Okay, now cool. On our daily time frame, if I can just remove this over here, on our daily time frame, can you guys see we are clearly what? Bullish in structure. Okay, we are bullish in structure. Now we know that the market moves in impulses and corrections. Okay, if I can show you guys, can you see impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse? Okay, now a bull actual market has what? Higher highs and higher lows. So can you guys see we have a nice low, higher low, higher low, right? Looking at the highs, high, higher high, where we literally just created a what? And higher high over there, right? Now we know that if the market is creating a higher high, we expecting some sort of a pullback to create a what? A potential higher low for a potential move back towards the upside. Now can you guys see with this actual high over here, if I can box it out, like this, can you see once we broke above this actual area, we haven't came back for the retest back inside this actual area of support over there, right? Now this area of support is serving as a potential area where we can find ourselves heading back towards the downside for a potential continuation move back towards the upside. Okay, but in overall on NASDAQ, I am looking for bear momentum. Okay, I'm looking for bear momentum. So that's literally for our daily time frame. Let's scale down to our actual 4-hourly time frame. Okay, now my 4-hourly time frame, this is the time frame where I'm gonna play it a little bit safe. Okay, so if I can remove this over here. Now my 4-hourly time frame, we can see that we are somewhat bullish in structure as well, right? Creating this nice actual this nice trending market over there. Now looking at the lows, once again, let's get a nice trend line thrown out. Copy and clone it. Place it on the highs. See if we have any respects on our lows, any respects on our highs. Not just respects, but parallel respects, right? We do have somewhat of respects. You know, whether you want to consider this as an actual channel, whether you want to consider it as a bear flag, you know, honestly, it doesn't matter. Okay, now looking at our lows, can you guys see? First touch, second touch. Looking at our highs, we have a first touch. Then we had a second touch over there, right? If I can do this, second touch. And then we had our third touch with multiple respects following after that. Okay, now I'm expecting a nice actual dip on NASDAQ. To where am I expecting the actual dip? I'm basically expecting this dip back into my ascending trend line. Okay, mainly back inside this region over here, right? Back inside my ascending trend line. After that, what will I do? Since I'm looking for bear momentum, I'll wait for price to break below this actual area wait for some sort of an actual retest or some sort of rejection happening over here for a potential continuation move back towards the downside, back into the low of my bear flag, or channel, whatever you want to call it. Okay, if I can box it out like this, back into the low of my actual channel. Okay, and that's literally my outlook on this beautiful pair called NASDAQ. I hope that you all have a clean understanding. If you like this content, hit the like button, hit the sub button. I will highly appreciate it. The YouTube algorithm will highly appreciate it. Let's share the content. Okay, so that's it from me, your boy D. I'm out.